Take it to the limit with the Suorin Edge kit and pods. This kit brings something special to the table that you don't often see in these types of kits. Wait, ain't got time for that review? Hippity hop on over to vapewild.com by peeping the link in the top right corner. The Suorin Edge mod is interesting in its construction. It has the look and feel of the pod mods you're used to with some minute differences. So let's talk about those. The Edge is a draw to fire mod, but located on its side is a button to turn on and off the device. Now, this isn't foreign to pod mods in the least, but typically mods of this particular style have an automatic cutoff rather than a 5-click turn on. The biggest head turner is the fact that it has a removable 230 mAh battery. Yup, a removable battery. This is actually really cool and gives you the ability to swap on the go when your battery drains, because dig this, they give you a spare battery along with it. Not only that, but you can charge the battery while connected to the device and while it's not. Non-stop vapathon. Now about the pods. The Suorin Edge pods have a 1.5 milliliter capacity and are rated for 1.4 ohm. These pods are side loading and are packed with good old flavor carrying organic cotton, and the flavor is delish. Believe that. A couple things of note. First, when I attempted to fill the pod, the stopper was a little tricky. Not deal breaker tricky, just something to think about. Also, the pods are sold separately, so don't forget to get a pod if you have the mod already in your cart. In the end, Suorin Edge, worth it. Buy it. vapewild.com. No said. No. Go get one.